We're on our way to Padre Island, but first we gotta make a quick pit stop at the laundromat, and then we'll be on the beach.
Here we are trying to pass the time by fishing for quarters, and I would say we were pretty successful. We tried to be cute and put 2 loads of wet laundry into 1 dryer. This is me separating out the wet from dry, so bad idea.
We're on our way, and it's a 4-hour drive there. Ah, damn it.
All right, laundry is done. We've had breakfast, and we are on our way to Padre Island, which is about 4 hours away.
Alright, we made another stop at Bucky's. This is the largest gas station in the world. It's crazy big, and we actually recently saw it on YouTube, so that's how we know about it. We specifically stopped here, but it was right along the way. It's crazy how big it is. I don't think I've ever been to something like this.
This place had everything. I would never try this though, no. Oh yeah, and then there was tons of salsa, some kolaches. There was even beef jerky that they made in-house. Oh, and then they had tons of merchandise, of course.
Then you bring in any supplies for the beach?
Some other stuff. The fudge. Oh my goodness, they had so much fudge. It was amazing.
Oh, they have different dogs.
We debated even showing you this, but this is candied pecans. We didn't try these. We got some lemonade and we were ready to hit the road. After 4 hours of driving, we were so happy to get there.
This is just too crazy. We're literally driving on the beach. I'm just shocked that they allow people to do this. We've already been at this beach a couple days. I think this is the 4th day here. But this is the first day that it's been really nice, starting in the morning, and check this out. We practically have the beach to ourselves right now, or at least in this area. Yesterday's storm and the wind drove everybody off. Look what it did to our solar panels. I'll get those cleaned up and set them up again. But this is probably my favorite place so far. I mean, we've only been to 2, but it's just incredible. And it's free with the annual National Park Pass. I mean, we are literally steps from the water and from the beach. It was a bit scary when we got here. We did get a little stuck. We started going close to the dunes. We had to back out and redo it. I was just afraid of the water getting to the road. I kept looking at the tides and the wind and everything, but it seems like it's fine. We do only get 1 bar of LTE here. That's barely anything, but luckily the WeBoost is amplifying it inside. I definitely recommend the WeBoost if you have one. Here's ours sticking out on the ladder. It has been pretty windy here, so that is one of the drawbacks of the beach. Also, we tried to grill the other day, and because of the wind, sand just kept getting in, and I was afraid it was going to be in our food, so we cooked inside. It's definitely more of a nature beach. I mean, people come here and park their cars right on the beach, but there's also crab walking around and all that, so that's up to you if you want to lay there. But this is definitely where you come to relax and not necessarily do the typical beach activities. But look how there's literally nobody around us. The other day there were literally cars parked everywhere along the beach, along the dunes, and there was even an ice cream truck driving there because there were that many people. But today we woke up, it's a Monday morning, and we're the only ones around here, and it's such an interesting feeling. You could still get a slice of your own beach right here in Texas. It's another morning on the beach, and it's a foggy one. It's kind of cool waking up and looking out, and you literally can't see anything. So last night we were enjoying our evening, just laying in bed, and then for some reason we decided to check the weather. When we did, we noticed there's a coastal flood warning, and like having water come up to the RV is one of our biggest fears, and it said that water may reach the dunes right at high tide. So we quickly packed up and left to a campsite that was nearby. Luckily there was spots available, plenty of them, but it was a paid spot, so we had to pay for a night there. So now we're back on South Beach where we were, and just trying to see if anything actually happened. It doesn't look like anything did. Also, when we first got here, we were around mile marker 1.5, and there's about 5 miles of beach that you can drive on with just 2-wheel drive, and then there's another 55 miles after that, which is 4-wheel drive. So today we're gonna see just how far we can make it, just drive on the beach and see what it looks like at the end. We're about mile marker 4. We still got another mile, and we saw this. It looks like it's been here a while based on all the graffiti. Just a boat washed ashore. There's definitely a lot more people in the first couple of miles. Maybe it's just not such a busy day today, but at one point we were driving for about 5 minutes and just didn't see anybody. It really gives you this desolate feeling. We just made it to the mile marker 5. Definitely gonna take their warning and not keep going any further. We already got stuck on the first day, just a couple feet away from the road, so not gonna push our luck. We just did a quick stop at the visitor center, picked up some things, some stickers that we started collecting. Still don't know where I'm gonna be putting those stickers, but we'll find a spot. That password book is cool. It has a lot of information in there about the parks and just shows you the entire park system across America. So here we are on North Beach. It's very similar to South Beach, but except it's only a mile long. On the way here, we stopped at the Bird Basin, and I think we're gonna stay there for tonight. Even though it's paid, it's very cheap at $8 a day or a night. And we just wanna take a break from all the salt spray and all the sand. If you're thinking about visiting here, I would definitely recommend South Beach over North Beach. You just get a lot more options to park, and it just has a better feel to it.
Before settling into the campground, we went on a little nature hike. And we saw this lizard. And then we just had, conversations about life and travel, living in an RV. Really deep stuff here. And this is us parked at Bird Island Basin Campground.
Look at these clouds that are rolling in. 20-mile-an-hour winds must be perfect for windsurfers.
We really enjoyed our stay at this campground, especially in comparison to the beach where there was just tons of sand and people. This was really isolated, and just look at that sunrise. Listen to the sounds of these birds. It's amazing. We definitely recommend visiting this campground if you're going to stay at Padre Island National Seashore.